You were handed one of the most powerful things in human history and nobody gave you an instruction manual. So that's not on you. Think about putting together an IKEA bookshelf with no instructions. It sounds pretty frustrating, right? Now imagine that that bookshelf contains the sum of all human knowledge and can hold a conversation with you. Most people are using AI like it's an upgraded Google or a smarter Alexa. AI is not an app. AI is an intelligence, okay? I'm gonna repeat that. Alexa is an app. Siri is an app. AI is not an app. AI is an intelligence, and a million different apps are plugging into it and using pieces of it. That's a completely different thing.